हेलो एवरीवन। जय हिंद, जय भारत। मैं सुभाष कुमार मिश्रा आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं कृष्णा एजुकेशन में। आज का मेरा टॉपिक रेडियोग्राफिक इंस्पेक्शन पार्ट 10। आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द फिल्म विच आर यूज्ड इन द रेडियोग्राफी। We do that as per discuss in the previous topic, previous lecture. फिल्म आर यूज्ड, हम फिल्म को यूज करते हैं। फिल्म कहाँ यूज करते हैं? जब मुझे वो लेटेंट इमेज जो मिलती थी रेडियोग्राफी टेक्निक के द्वारा, जो इमेज आती है और वो लेटेंट इमेज जो मैनिफेस्ट इमेज में जब कन्वर्ट की जाती है तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फिल्म आती है। और फिल्म किस तरह बना होता है ये मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूं। लेकिन फिल्म की क्वालिटीज क्या होनी चाहिए? फिल्म के अंदर बेसिकली जो प्रॉपर्टीज हम लोग देखते हैं वो फिल्म डेंसिटी, फिल्म स्पीड एंड फिल्म ग्रेननेस। ये किस पे डिपेंड करता है इसको देखना। फिल्म डेंसिटी क्या होती है? फिल्म डेंसिटी इट इज अ रेशियो ऑफ हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ रेडिएशन इम्पिंग्स ऑन द बीम। आपका फिल्म के ऊपर कितनी रेडिएशन आ गई या इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द बीम ट्रांसमिटेड टू द फिल्म एंड intensity of the incident beam. This ratio is known as film density. So the ratio of light incident on a one side of radiograph or one side of the radiography film or it is a source, and how much amount is transmitted, actually transmitted to the film is called the film density or the radiography density. Film density is denoted by D. As per the show in the figure, that is a film density is denoted by D, and it is a logarithmic change of I naught upon I. I naught is the intensity of incident light and how much amount of the incident radiation is transferred yet transmitted light is known as the film density. So film density define the what amount of the, if your the some amount is not transmitted, आपकी वहां पे फिल्म डेंसिटी अच्छी नहीं हुई तो द इमेज विच इज फाइंड, इफ यू आर find the cracks is not good. So that's why film density is an important parameter. Second one is a film speed. Film speed refer to the relative sensitivity of X-ray film to given amount of radiation. What is the meaning of sensitivity? Sensitivity is how much amount of radiation goes to the film and what are the image find, what are the properties of the image या image qualities. If you are suppose the speed of the film mean आपका जो यहाँ पे conversion of cluster of the halide ions, that is a cluster of silver particles. If you suppose the speed of the film is high, speed of the film is high, तो only low exposure, आपको बहुत कम समय चाहिए और आपको low exposure is needed to find out the crack or internal flow, so that the high speed of the film is very important. If you suppose the high speed, less exposure is required and the density is very low. At the same density, if you find the same density, the for low speed film, if you need the much exposure, आपको और ज्यादा लाइट चाहिए उसको एक्सपोज करने के लिए और इंटेंसिटी चाहिए आपको उसको करने के लिए. सो डिपेंड ऑन द फिल्म स्पीड, द ग्राफ इज प्लॉटेड ऑन द डेंसिटी वर्सेस लॉग रिलेटिव exposure. If you suppose high speed film, this is the high speed film as shown in the graph. This is the high speed film, and high speed film the exposure is zero, almost is it is zero. If you suppose the medium film, the exposure is 0.4. If you're the low speed film, the exposure is 0.6. It's mean the intensity of the light incident and intensity of the light is transmitted as per the depend on the film speed. If the film speed is high, then it need a low exposure, whereas the slow film required more exposure to attain the same film density. उतनी ही डेंसिटी आपको रिक्वायर्ड करने के लिए आपको मोर एक्सपोजर इज रिक्वायर्ड. So that's why the film density, film speed is an also important parameter. Second one is a film grainness. Is an also important. it depend on the, ये film grayness is the quality of figure या image is which grain effectiveness is depend on the contrast or the image definition, and film is subjected to, if your the size is very small of the grain particles are very small. What is a grain? Grain is which is using the silver bromide particles is very fine particles. The image is found is very good image, or the contrast, the resolution is very good. If you suppose the a large grain are using, that is called blurring, or blurring of the outline of discontinuity. So film grains is a visual evidence of the cluster of the minute silver particle that form the image on the radiography film. So film grain is depend, basically it is a core grains or a fine grains. Fine grains produce the good radiography image, or image quality is very good. If you suppose a large grain cause blurring of the outline of the discontinuities. So degree of the grainness of the film is depend on the following factor. That is a fine or coarse grain structure of the film emulsion. What is the type of the emulsion if you are using in the design of the film is a very important. So that's why the first one is the emulsion, the particle which are using for the silver bromide is very fine particle or minute particle which are using, because it depend on the image generated in the radiographic film. After the processing of the film, the image is manifest image which are generated by is very good. So that's why the fine or a core grain structure of the film. Second one, the quality of the radiation to which the film is exposed. If you suppose the large grain size, the more radiation are used to absorb. So that's why the fine grain size are using. So that's a less radiation is absorbed, and the quality of the image is good. Development time. Increased development time result in increase in grainness. If you are suppose the grainness is increased, so the development time or processing of the image is very taking the much time. And the third one is use of fluorescent screen. Increase in radiation increase cause increase in a grainness also. So this is the properties of the film which are used in the radiography. First one is the film density, film speed, and the film grainness. What is the characteristic of the curve of the X-ray film? Characteristic of the curve of the X-ray film is plotted on between density. Density is film density versus log relative exposure. Film density is plotted on the y-axis, and the log exposure is plotted on the x-axis. There are different regions which are shown in the figure. As per the figure is shown four regions. That is the first one is the unexposed portion, toy region, state portion, and shoulder region, and solarization portion. This all of these curves are find with the reference of exposure to the film. Suppose a density जहाँ पे हमारी डेंसिटी विच इज नॉट नोटिसेबल, जहाँ पे हमें डेंसिटी नोटिस नहीं हो रही है, एंड अनएक्सपोज्ड एरिया जहाँ है फिल्म, दिस इज कॉल्ड द फॉक्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉग, and this is called the unexposed portion of the film. Unexposed portion of the film means where the density of the film is very less and exposed of the radiation is zero. So that's exposed नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ पे कुछ भी चीजें. So that type of the portion is known as unexposed portion, or that is called the fog also. Toy region. Some amount of the film is exposed, have a density in the range and indicated by the region A say B. This region is called, some amount of the portion of the film is exposed. So that's why this region is called toy region. Then is properly exposed, all the film is exposed, the radiation of is exposed to all the part of the film. So this type of the region is known as straight line portion. This is denoted by B C C. And the last one is C C D. There is the over excess film generally has a density in range indicated. Matlab the ratio of the intensity of the light and transmitted film is overexposed. So overexposed film. So that's why this reason is maximum amount of exposure is done, and so that's why the density is after that maximum it is downfall. So that's why it is a reason is known as the shoulder region. And the third one and the last is